Hi lovelies, today we are going to be learning how to make Ankara earring using this spoon. You see those disposable spoon that you used to see in parties, we are going to be using it to make Ankara earring. So the materials you are going to be needing is your raffia, your Ankara, your scissors, your tape, and disposable spoon. So just cut out the size of this disposable spoon this way, and cut out also the size that you are going to be using to wrap the spoon. Cut out the raffia, the raffia material. It can be any material that you are going to be using to wrap the spoon. Then wrap it this way. Apply gum, use it and wrap like this. Wrap it very well. Wrap from the back to the inside. Okay. This is it. Have you seen it? The next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to be cutting the shape of the spoon again, but a smaller one. Apply gum. We are going to be using it to cover the inside. Okay, hold on. Now we are going to be making a little hole where we are going to be passing the hook, the earring hook. Have you seen it? So we'll fix it. Then let's use that smaller shape of the spoon to cover the face. So we want to use it to cover it because we want our work to be very neat. Have you seen it? You cover this way. Oh, NEPA. Then you get your heat gun and apply gum. Then fix this bead. Fix it this way. Then you'll be putting that cowrie in the middle too, just using your gum. Okay. Then after that, the next thing we are making now is that little bow. You sew this part I pointed, then turn the inside out. This is it. Then hold the middle. If you've not watched my previous video on how to make bow, go and watch it. So you hold the middle this way and tie it. You see what I'm doing? You tie it. After tying, cut it. Then you see this small raffia, you use it to hold that thread so that the thread will not be showing. Use your needle and thread now to hold it very well. Then apply your gum behind and fix the bow. Have you seen it? This is it. Press it very well. This is it. Have you seen it? Your earring is ready. Then the other hook now. You now add it so that it will be long, a little bit longer. Have you seen it? This is it. So your earring is ready. Guys, can you see it? This is, let me know if you like this. Rate it 1 to 10.